How to convert currency on the Wise app. If you'd like to convert your currency on the Wise app, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Wise app and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now over there you can simply select which currency. So I have got two types of balance accounts. So here is a GBP account, here is a USD account, and supposedly you want to convert the GBP to USD or vice versa. You can do that. So first you tap on that current account, whichever you want to convert, and just tap on the convert button. So I have got GBP, I can tap on convert. All I can do is I can enter the amount of money that I would like to convert, and I will get that much amount in USD. It will also show up over here. Then I can tap the continue button. It will also show these fees, the amount they'll convert, and so on, and your currency will be successfully converted to another currency. So I hope this video helped you as to how you can convert your currency on the Wise app. If you have got any further questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.